Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today I will discuss on LibreOffice Impress. What is Impress? LibreOffice Impress is a presentation program similar like Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay, so go to the computer screen through LibreOffice Impress application. I will discuss today's video step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, today I will discuss the topic on LibreOffice Impress, and the problem is that write a presentation using LibreOffice Impress which have slides with the following data. There is actually 5 slides we should build today. The first one, the title page, just written about computer, and also you can put some image here, right? In second slide, write few information about computer, and third slide we write its component, means the component of computer. We just write some lines within the third slide. Fourth slide, put some picture of father of computer and also the first computer, what it was, just the picture given in that slide. And the last slide is a thank you slide. Okay, so go to the LibreOffice Impress application. I will develop these 5 slides today. So let's start. Friends, I'm just within the LibreOffice Impress, and here I will develop the 5 slides using LibreOffice Impress application, right? So at first we close this window, and this is a by default slide is given. First is written click to add title and click to add text. So at first what we did, the first slide is just write the title, so just write about computer. So we don't need to this one, so just select it and press del. We just drag it into the middle section and just write here, suppose about computer, right? And this from properties, this particular window we choose our text as a bold or put some different color, and we can increase the size also. If we put this text somehow above, because we put some picture here, in that case we go to insert and choose image. So in my desktop, this is a computer is a folder, we choose this picture, which is the picture is Charles Babbage, right? Reduce the picture and put in the middle, right? So this is my first slide. Now the second slide is what? We just write some about the computer. So in that case we go to this particular section, new slide, and choose the second one. Okay, and here suppose just write here about computer, and same way if we just choose this total text, bold it, increase the size, put different color. Okay, and here at first we click here and then go to the left alignment and just go to the align top, and here suppose we write here in 1837 Charles Babbage invented a general purpose digital mechanical computer which was known as analytical engine, right? And which was successor of difference engine, and which was actually developed in the year 1933, right? So we just write the simple line, in 1837 Charles Babbage invented a general purpose digital mechanical computer which was known as analytical engine, which was successor of difference engine. It was invented in the year 1833. So if we change some text size or color, suppose select this Charles Babbage and select different color from there. Suppose choose this color, bold it, okay, and same way analytical engine, choose it, put different color and suppose bold it, right? And now for the third slide where we write some component of computer, choose from there, suppose choose this slide and just write here component of computer. And same way if you select this one, bold it, put the size increase, put different color, okay, and same way click the below section, choose left aligned, align top, and just write here there are 5 components, and there first number 1 is input, number 2 is your output, number 3 is your storing, number 4 is your processing, and number 5 is your controlling, right? So for computer is concerned, there are 5 components: input, output, storing, processing and controlling. So if we put some color for this computer is concerned, just select the color from there and also choose this one for same color and put everything as a bold, choose all and press bold, right? So this is our third slide. Now the fourth slide is that picture of father of computer and picture of analytical engine, which was the first computer, right? So then we choose here from there, suppose choose this section and just write here father of computer and analytical engine, right? And if we put in a single line, select it, reduce the size, bold it, again reduce the size and put different color from there. Suppose this color we choose here, right? And this section, choose this insert image. So in my desktop section, computer is a folder, choose this particular image. This is the image for Charles Babbage, right? Now this section, select insert image, choose this analytical engine image from there. So these are 2 pictures given. One is the Charles Babbage image, other is a analytical engine image, which is the known as the first computer, and this is the father of computer known as the Charles Babbage. And the last slide, the thank you slide, just go to same way, this one, select this, we don't need to this section, just delete it and just go to in middle and just write here simple thank you, right? And if you increase the size of the font, bold it in that way and put a different color, can put it there, right? So we already build our 5 slides. Now we put the background of the each and every slide is concerned. Just right click into there, slide properties is there, choose color, select background, press OK. Same way, slide properties, color, suppose choose this color, OK. Same way, right click, slide properties, color, choose suppose this one, press OK. Fourth slide, slide properties, color and choose this one, press OK. And the last slide, slide properties, choose color and suppose choose this one, press OK. So we already put the color of the background of each and every slide is concerned. Now we put some slide transition. So there is an option is there, slide transition, okay. So we choose this one for the first slide, okay. For second slide we choose suppose this one, right? For the third slide we choose suppose this one, right? For fourth slide choose suppose this one, right? And for fifth slide suppose choose this one, right? So we already create this 5 slides. Now we want to save the file. So for LibreOffice Impress is concerned, the extension is ODP, Open Document Presentation. So just go to File, choose Save. So suppose we save in my desktop. So just write here example underscore presentation. So automatically the extension will be .odp. Just check ODP, example underscore presentation .odp, Open Document Presentation. So if we run this slideshow, just press F5. This is the first slide about computer. Either click mouse left click or press right arrow from the keyboard. Second slide, about computer. In 1837, Charles Babbage invented a general purpose digital mechanical computer which was known as analytical engine, which was successor of difference engine, and also difference engine invented in the 1833, right? This is the third slide, component of computer, 5 components: input, output, storing, processing and controlling. This is the fourth slide, this is the father of computer, Charles Babbage picture, and this is the analytical engine picture, right? And fifth slide is the thank you slide, just given in that way. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple, how to create slides using LibreOffice Impress application, right? If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. If you have some doubts, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. For today's video is concerned, those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arnab for more videos. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.